In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a hyperlink with audio in PowerPoint, featuring the Bowel Judgmental game. If you're ready to elevate your presentation skills and add a little more interactivity, you're in the right place. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open PowerPoint on your computer, take a moment to ensure you're signed in and your software is up to date for the smoothest experience possible. Once you have PowerPoint open, navigate over to the presentation that you're working on. This could be a new presentation you're starting fresh, or an existing project that you're looking to enhance with some hyperlinks and audio elements. Next, go to the specific slide where your link is located. This link could be a text, an image, or any element that allows hyperlinking. Once you locate it, right-click on the link and a menu of options will appear. From these, select the Edit Link option. This will open up the hyperlink settings, which is where the magic starts happening. In the hyperlink settings, you'll see an option labeled Place in this document. Clicking this option allows you to create a link that redirects users to another part of your presentation. Choose the specific slide you want your audience to be redirected to when they click the hyperlink. Make sure that slide is relevant to what you are presenting, as this helps maintain a seamless flow that keeps your audience engaged. Once you're satisfied with your choice, click on OK to save your changes. Now the next step is all about adding some audio flair to your presentation. While still in your PowerPoint project, navigate to the slide that contains the audio element you want to work with. Right-click on the audio file to bring up a list of options. Select the Style option and afterwards choose Play in the background. By selecting Play in the background, your audio will automatically start playing when the slide is displayed, continuing through to subsequent slides until it stops. This is a fantastic way to set the tone for your presentation or game, especially with something as engaging as the Bowel Judgmental game, without having to manually start the audio. And that's it. With these straightforward steps, you now have a PowerPoint presentation that skillfully incorporates hyperlinks and audio, creating a more dynamic and interactive experience for your audience. So go ahead, experiment with these features, add your own creative twist, and watch your presentations come to life. Make sure to save your work and preview your presentation to ensure everything is working just the way you want it. Thanks for tuning in and happy presenting.